Hi everyone, and welcome to what I'm prepping today. So I've done, I think, 2 or 3 other videos on all of my cast iron cookware, and this is more that I've accumulated from estate sales and yard sales and LetGo. There was another one. I bought a pot that a woman said was in her attic for over 40 years, and that her grandmother had used it. And I paid, I think it was about that size, maybe between this. I think it was 6 5/8 is what it was. But when I picked it up, it was perfect. It was seasoned wonderfully, and so I paid her, and then I just took it to my daughter's house and gave that to her, and she's used it, and I'm gonna, give her some more time to use it and see if she likes it, and then I will pick her the next size up or larger size if she prefers, and then clean them for her. In an ideal world, I would clean these and re-season them prior to packing them. I'm just not able to do that. So let me show you what we have here. This is just a pan, and I know that I'm going to show you the backs. It's also a record for me, but some people just like to see them. Oh, okay, I remember where I got this one. This one's not old at all. I don't know if it's collectible or not. It's, I guess the Cracker Barrel does a different one every year, and this is just a Cracker Barrel one, but they've had many different ones that they do. And I purchased this from one of the men, or one of the people. It's a couple. They call me and just tell me whenever they have something. So I think this one was $20 that I paid. I usually pay him what he asks because he calls me whenever he gets one, and so I have been getting first choice, although he hasn't called me in a while. I have to check on him. Okay, then this one's next. Definitely, obviously needs, not totally redone. I don't think this one does. Just some stuff on the sides, but the bottom definitely needs totally redone, so I would probably, do the whole thing inside and out. And then, what do we have? This is actually, I don't know that this is cast iron. It feels aluminum. And it says, what's that? Cantor Manufacturing, Cleveland. So, not even sure if it's worth money. But I don't get them because they're worth money. I get them because I really like them, and I'm getting a set of cast iron for each of my kids, who will slowly come around to wanting to cook only in cast iron. But yes, I got that. And these I want to eventually hang in the kitchen just because they're really nice, and I want to use them. Then, of course, I've got this one, the larger one. It's cast iron. It's... oh, that sucker's heavy. Sorry about that. Let me see what that says. It says 2C. Yeah, I'm not up on manufacturer's marks, and I think I told you before, I know some are worth more than the others, and so they'd be pricier if I went to buy them. I would just stay away from them, because to me, a pan is a pan. Is a pan. Now if somebody told me, hey, I'll give you $3,000 for that pan, I'd be like, how soon can you get here? Because, yeah, it's not worth that to me. This one is a Wagner. Wagner 1891 original. So, obviously, it's not from 1891. Let's see. Another small one. It's just marked Made in USA, number 3, and it definitely needs totally revamped. I've got the, what is that, Dutch oven. No lid on this one. I have a couple with the lids. Also, the Wagner 1891. And here's just the blue enamel spackleware. We don't buy this anymore. We used to have a set, and then we were building a set when we would go to flea markets and things. And then we decided we just weren't going to do the blue enamelware anymore, except for camping away from home. So we don't really have a lot of this anymore, because we're not doing a lot of that either, except for like a canoe trip. We'd take something light, probably stainless steel, but we have it, so I'll probably just pack it with the camping things And if we were to cook outside over a campfire, we'd just use the cast iron. Now this one right here, I'm not packing away. My husband just saw it and said, ooh, I want to use that one. So, okay, we'll keep this one out. And it's a Griswold self-basting lid. It says 1288 there. And it's a number 8. And the bottom isn't marked Griswold, so I'm not sure if it is 10-inch chicken fire. So yeah, I really like that one. We'll keep that out. And I'm not sure. Let me see if that lid fits that. Oh yeah, that works nicely. Okay, and I'm pretty sure he wants to keep this one out as well. And then, cauldron with a lid. There's the lid. Unmarked. Well, it looks like it has like a oval with a squiggle inside. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe it's just the shape of the dirt. I would probably clean that out before I used it again. Not one. I've never actually used it. I don't think before I used it again. This is how I purchased it. And it also has a large number 8, and it's a footed cauldron. And then something I picked up for, I think this whole thing was $2. When I see these, people either want to give them away or they think they're made of gold. So when this was $2, I picked that up for when we were doing canning. Although we don't do canning so much anymore, we do more freeze drying. We can still use this for the same purpose, you know, to just get out the juice. But that's it. That's today's preps that are getting packed up until I have more time to do something with them. And, you know, I don't know if I've inadvertently made my collection of cast iron become prepping. But to me it is, because, you know, if something happens where you can only cook outside, and if there's, you know, EMP or anything silly like that, and you're not able to have electricity, well then, you know what, you'll need something like this, something very durable to cook outside. And of course, preserving and canning food is always a good thing. But that's it for today. So let me know which pieces you like. And of course, if you know for a fact something's worth a lot of money, you can drop that in the comments and let me know too. What did you prep today?